Lecture 2. Creating your HeyGen account and dashboard tour. Imagine walking into a new library for the first time. The books, computers, and study spaces are all there, but unless someone shows you where things are, it feels overwhelming. That's exactly how digital platforms can feel. Today we will set up your HeyGen account and take a guided tour of the dashboard, so you know exactly where everything is and how to use it. By the end, you will not only have your own HeyGen account, but also the confidence to navigate the workspace as if you have been using it for weeks. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn the step-by-step process of creating a HeyGen account, learn the dashboard layout and understand the purpose of each section, see practical examples of how the dashboard tools fit into real projects. Step 1. Creating your account. To start using HeyGen, you don't need expensive equipment or software downloads. All you need is, you just have to write in here as HeyGen and you will have to go to the official website. In here you can just click in here, and now you will have to click on sign up for free. So click in here, choose to register with your email or sign in with your Google account. For example, if you want to go with Google account, you can just click in here, choose one account, you can just click in here, verify your email and you're done. Example, let's say you're working on a class project and need to create a quick presentation video. With a HeyGen account, you could go from signing up to having your first draft video in less than 30 minutes. Compare that with learning traditional editing software, which might take weeks. HeyGen also offers different plans, but the free trial gives you enough credits to experiment and learn. Think of it like a sandbox you can play around, test features, and build your first few videos without committing financially. Step 2. Exploring the dashboard. Now that you're signed in, let's look at the dashboard, the control center of HeyGen. Here's what you will see and why it matters. Create video button. This is your starting line. Click it and you will immediately be guided into a project setup page. Example, imagine you have written a 1-minute script for introducing yourself to your class. By hitting this button, you can paste the script, choose an avatar, and generate your introduction video. Template section. These are pre-made layouts for common video types like product demos, announcements, or presentations. For example, when you just click in here, here you have multiple options that you can use as per your requirement. Example, suppose you're asked to create a video about climate change for a group project. Instead of designing from scratch, you can choose a presentation template, plug in your text, and instantly have a structured format. My projects. For example, when you just click in here, this is your personal library. Every video you draft, save, or publish will appear here. Example, think of this like your Google Docs folder, organized, easy to access, and always there when you return. Avatars and Voices tab. For example, when you just click in here, and here you can see you have multiple options of avatars. This section lets you explore the wide range of avatars and realistic human presenters. And Voices tab, in here you have plenty of voice options in different accents, tones, and languages. Example, if you're giving a history presentation, you might choose a formal avatar with a clear professional voice. But if you're making content for social media, a friendly avatar with a casual tone might work better. Settings or profile. For example, when you just click in here and click on setting. This area helps you manage account details, subscription plans, and preferences. While you won't spend much time here daily, it's where you will adjust settings as you become more familiar with HeyGen. Step 3. Why this tour matters. Knowing your way around the dashboard saves you from frustration later. Instead of wasting time searching for a button while a deadline looms, you will already know where to start, create video, where to look for inspiration, templates, where to store your work, my projects, how to shape the voice of your video, Voices tab. This foundation makes the creative part of the actual video making much smoother. Practical reflection. Imagine two students assigned to create a 2-minute informational video. One spends half an hour figuring out where to start, while the other already knows where the tools are and begins writing their script. Who do you think will finish faster and with less stress? Now that you have set up your account and explored the dashboard, you know where all the key tools live. With this foundation, you are ready to start creating scripts that will bring your videos to life.